Hey Veezy Kids, this is a very, very difficult video. You guys saw the thumbnail. One of the females, the adult female llamas, Lola, passed away last night. Lola has been sick for a little bit.
Was she sick when we went to Animal Con?
We got a call when we were about to leave Animal Con and come home. Lola was looking a little weak and lethargic. So as soon as we got back, my vet came. Right off the bat, we started a dewormer. We started a vitamin. We were giving her shots. So then we got on a schedule for the last 3 days. Literally every 2 hours, somebody was out there with her, giving her medicine. They were just talking to her, giving her water, giving her hay, just doing everything we possibly could to keep her comfortable. We were going back and forth whether we should film and talk about this, but the goal of the Veezy Kids channel for you guys is to be transparent always. So yeah, just stick around.
Hey guys, we're back from Animal Con. You guys miss us?
Oh, we missed you. Yo, did you guys miss us? We were gone. We missed you guys so much. What up, Jax? Come on. Oh, yeah, you like that. Ow. Are you a rooster? Okay, we know you're a rooster, buddy. When you go on like a vacation and you're away from your animals for an extended period of time, you really start to miss them. Fat Smitty, let me hear a cock-a-doodle-doo. I read the review and the report from when they took her fecal and they tested everything. She had, and I know I'm not pronouncing this right, Haemonchus contortus, which is also known as the barber's pole worm. It's a very common parasite. Adult worms attached to, they feed on the blood. All right, well, basically, these worms are responsible for anemia and death of infected sheep and goats, mainly during the summer and warm, humid climates. Basically, when they eat off of the ground, which you know llamas do because they're picking grass all the time, they're eating off the ground, and then it gets into their system, and then it's like worms, and once it's in their system, whenever you feed these llamas, it's literally eating the food from them, so they're not getting any food, causing the anemia, causing them to be weak. With llamas, I really don't know a way to safeguard it because they eat from the ground. They eat the grass and they eat whatever. We feed our llamas grain and stuff out of buckets off of the ground. Tell us in the comments if you know anything about this or ways that we can improve to not have this happen, because again, we don't really let our animals eat off of the ground. I know the pigs do. I know Paul tried to put like a concrete block in this so he can pour the food in there for his pigs and whatnot, but again, you got a block, they're gonna walk through it. So I'm trying to figure out maybe just eating out of bowls for the pigs. I don't know. I just want to make sure this never happens again to any of our animals, because this really sucks. I want to try to start feeding these guys in something better, but off the ground. So the goats poop all right here, and we don't want to throw the food here because then they kick it and it gets in there, and that's how you get the bacteria. So if we put it in here, it's off the ground. They can't stand on it, they can't jump, they can't kick it. So that's probably gonna be the safest thing for now until we get something bigger. Now we're gonna go over here and talk to the remaining llamas. Oh, hi. God, I feel so bad for them right now. Like, I mean, I'm sure they know, like, hey, parent died. I wonder if they like understand it. I know you were up here all night with Lola. I know I woke you up with the news that she passed away. Can you tell the viewers like what you went through last night and what we were going through all night with the medications and stuff?
Well, the night before that, I was out here with like the mosquitoes when she was behind the chicken coop, and I was out there not all night but like a long time. Last night we gave her medication before I went to sleep, and so it's sad that she passed away in the middle of the night. At least she's not in pain anymore.
It's a good way to look at it. Son, what about you? Are you all right?
Yeah, it's very sad that our llama died.
You understand though, when you own a farm, you have a lot of animals, things pass away, right?
Yeah.
Sorry about your mom. Maybe it was your mom, I don't know. You're gonna get extra love for the time being, and we're gonna get you sheared in a couple of days because his hair is getting long. Piggies are getting big. Hey, look how big the babies are getting. What is that? Okie. How did he get out there?
The gate's open.
Okie, get over here. Get!
Run!
Okay, come on, boy. In the house. Let's go. Let's go. In the house.
Hey!
Walk. Walk.
You got his friend. How'd he jump so high?
Bye! Bye!
He bit his butt. So I'm probably gonna blur it out because I mean this is a kids friendly channel and I don't want, you know, anybody get upset, but I want to show you guys for the last say 3 days we've had a vet here every single day. We've been giving her so much medication. We put up a shelter for her to stay out of the sun and the rain and whatever because she literally wasn't moving. She was just on the ground. She was weak. We would come every couple hours, give her medication. We would give her hay. She wasn't eating any regular grain food, but she was eating the hay that we put in front of her. And it's just so sad because, you know, her babies would come and lay next to her and they knew. We made sure we kept her up because, again, guys, if you have any kind of, I guess llamas, I don't know if there's any other animals that are like this, that are sick and they're on the ground, they tend to want to lay on their side, and that's a no-no. You don't want them to lay on their side, so we had to prop her up and just keep her sitting straight. And I know, honey, I know you're gonna get extra love for the next couple days, I promise that. I'm so sorry, baby. I am sorry. I called a bunch of animal removal services. It was kind of hard because I talked to like 10 of them. I wanted them to understand it was, you know, a pet, and I wanted to make sure that the one that we picked had compassion, you know, and understood. So this is my friend Ardicio. He's here, and like I said, I called so many other people, but he was the one that had compassion and understood that this wasn't just some side of the road, you know, animal that we're just removing. You understand it's our family member, our pet, so he's gonna basically help us out and do the removal. I'm gonna show as much as I think I can and blur out whatever I don't, and sorry about the noise. We got the lawn people here, we got so much stuff going on. So what happens now?
So basically what we do is we have 2 county authorized burial grounds that we take them to, and then they get buried out there. That's pretty much it.
All right.
Can you visit them?
Huh? What, we're gonna visit the burial grounds or no, bro? You ever seen?
Or is it just like?
You ever
It's
seen
not a
Pet Cemetery?
Yeah. You ever seen?
I hate going to burial grounds with random animals out here. Hey, can you tell the viewers what we got going on over here?
So we set up a hay thing, and we also did it for the goats and then the llama's food, of course, so that they don't have to eat off the ground, which will help with parasites in the future.
So do you think, because they eat off of the ground always when they're eating grass and stuff, do you think that's what caused maybe Lola to catch parasites? And
I don't think that's it. I think that it was multiple things that happened, and we can't just blame it on one thing.
so when we found out about this and we had the vet come by, he brought medication for everything.
Yeah.
I mean, we gave them shots and dewormers. Goats got shots and dewormers. Like, we basically took care of everything right away. And these guys seem to be fine, but we're definitely gonna monitor them for the next few weeks. Oh, hi, beautiful. Oh, yes, you. Oh.
When you have a farm, a lot of hard things happen, but we just want to show you everything and be transparent and show you the real side of having a farm. So hopefully the next video is much better. Thank you guys for watching.